Hello everyone. In the previous session we have done a problems based on Newton backward difference formula where we used to find the value of a function y, that is for a given values of x we used to find the value of f of x or the value of y, something like find the value of f of 1.2 or f of 4.6. But in this session let me construct a polynomial. As I already told you, polynomial in the sense an expression of the form a0 x power of n plus a1 x power of n minus 1 and so on. So such kind of expression is called as polynomial. I'll give you one example. X square minus 2x plus 1. This is an example for quadratic polynomial. Similarly, x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 3. This is an example for cubic polynomial. So here the problem is given. We need to construct a polynomial. No matter whatever may be the order, we have to construct a polynomial. So either we can, in the examination, if they asked you to construct a polynomial, as we already done this concept in Lagrange interpolation. So if the method is not particularly mentioned, either you can use Lagrange interpolation formula or you can use Newton backward or forward difference formula. So in both the methods we can construct a polynomial. So anyhow I have completed Lagrange's method of constructing a polynomial. So in this session let me construct a polynomial by using both Newton forward difference interpolation formula as well as Newton backward difference interpolation formula. Fine. First let me construct the forward difference table. So for that we have to write the x and f of x value. Let me write down the x and f of x is none other than y value. So let me make a list of x and y value as given in the problem. So this is the x and y values given in the problem. Now for the first forward difference, that is delta y. As usual, 6 minus 3 is 3, 11 minus 6 is 5, again 18 minus 11 is 7, 27 minus 18 is 9. So delta y we have done. Now we have to calculate delta square y. 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2. Next third forward difference, delta cube. 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. Next fourth forward difference is 0 minus 0 is 0 only. So this is the forward difference table. Now I am going to construct a polynomial by using Newton forward difference interpolation formula. So how many terms we have here? Up to delta power 4. Anyhow delta cube and delta power 4 is 0. So we can neglect it, this part. So we can consider up to the terms containing delta square y. So let me write the formula of Newton forward difference interpolation formula is given by. So I have written only delta square y. Delta cube and delta 4 is 0. Now we have to calculate p value. As usual it is x minus x naught divided by h. Here x value is unknown. We have to retain y because x is a polynomial term. So you have to retain x as it is, and x naught is none other than first value. It is 0. Divided by h is the common difference. Make sure it is 1 in all the cases. So you will get x minus 0 is x divided by 1 is x only. So the value of p is x. Now let me make a list. Y naught. Y naught is the first value of y. Why? Because it is forward difference. Similarly delta y naught is 2. I'm sorry, it is 3 only. See, y naught is the first value of y. Delta y naught is first value of delta y. So delta square y naught is first value. It is 2. Similarly delta cube is also 0 and delta power 4 is also 0. Anyhow it is no need to substitute all those values. So only these three values let me substitute. So you will get y is equal to y naught. Y naught is 3 plus p is x. X into delta y naught is 3 plus p is x into x minus 1 divided by 2 factorial values 2. Delta square y naught is 2. 2 with 2 get cancel. You will get 3 plus 3 into x is 3x plus x into x minus 1. Now let me simplify this term. So you will get 3 plus 3x plus, when you multiply you will get x square minus x into 1 is x. Now plus 3x minus x will become 2x. So x square I'll write first. X square plus 2x plus 3. So y is equal to x square. Y is none other than f of x. So I can write f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 3. So this is the required polynomial by using Newton forward difference interpolation formula. Now we can construct the same by using Newton backward difference interpolation formula. So now let me do the Newton backward difference interpolation formula. So again here if you construct the backward difference also you will get the same values. So I'll just write here only or nebula y or reverse delta square y, reverse delta cube y, reverse delta power 4 of y. Right? So when you construct, you will get back the same results only, but way of representation is different. Now what is the Newton backward difference formula? Up to you have to write delta square y. So let me write the formula. F of x is equal to y is equal to yn plus p into reverse delta yn plus p into p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into reverse delta square yn. Now yn value is last value. Right? So here last value is 27. Similarly, reverse delta yn is last value is 9. Similarly, reverse delta square yn is last value it is 2. Now with this p value again I have to calculate. It is given by x minus xn divided by h. Here x is unknown as it is, minus xn is the last value of x. So what is the value here? It is 4 divided by h is 1. So p value is x minus 4. Now let me substitute all these values in the backward difference formula, that is here you will get f of x is equal to yn is 27 plus p is x minus 4 into delta yn is 9 plus p is x minus 4 into x minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial values 2 itself, delta square yn is 2. Now this 2 get cancelled with this 2. Now let me simplify this polynomial. I'll just rewrite this step so that you will get f of x is equal to 27 plus, I'll just multiply this. You will get 9x minus 4 9s are 36 plus, I'll just rewrite this x minus 4 into minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So you will get x minus 3. Again let me simplify. So you will get f of x is equal to 27 plus 9x minus 36 plus, let me multiply x into x is x square minus x into 3x is 3x minus 4x minus into minus is plus 4 3s are 12. Now highest term is x square, that is highest power x square. 9x minus 3x minus 4x. Fine. 9. If you are finding confusion, you can write all the numbers here, then you can simplify. So minus 3 minus 4, minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7 plus 9 is 2. So you will get 2x square. 2x. Why? Because these are the coefficients of x. Now what else we need is constants. 27 minus 36 plus 12. First you add 27 plus 12. 27 plus 12 will be 39 minus 36. That will give you plus 3. Fine. So f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 3 is the required polynomial. A required polynomial, and which is of degree 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. Hence the solution. Fine. So I have done it in both Newton forward difference interpolation and Newton backward difference interpolation. So in both the case, a solution will be same. If the method is particularly mentioned, you should go through the same method. If the method is not mentioned, either you can go through Lagrange interpolation or you can go through any one of these two methods. Clear? So here is the next problem. We have to find the polynomial which is of degree 2 from the following data. Here the data is given. We need to find the polynomial. As I already told you, either you can use backward difference or you can use forward difference. Anyhow, I have done first problem in both the methods. So I'll do only in forward difference method. For that we need to construct forward difference table. So let me write f of x is none other than y values. Let me write the given data. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is minus 1, 1, 5. Fine. Now forward difference table, first difference minus 1, minus 1, minus of minus 1 become plus 0. So 1 minus of minus will become plus 1. So it will give you 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. Similarly second difference, that is delta square y. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Again third difference is 2 minus 2 is 0. So it is sufficient to write the terms containing delta square y. Anyhow, let me write the formula. F of x is equal to y naught plus p into delta y naught. I am using Newton forward difference interpolation formula, plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught. Fine. Now as I already told you, p can be calculated by using the formula x minus x naught divided by h. Anyhow, we need to find polynomial, so x is as it is. Remember, when they asked you to find polynomial, x is none other than x only. that is the shortcut. So x naught is first value of x, so x naught is 1 divided by h is the common difference in everywhere, it is 1 only. Therefore required p value is x minus 1. Now make a list. Y naught is the initial value of y, that is first value, minus 1. Delta y naught, first value of delta y, it is 0. Again delta square y naught is first value, again it is 2. Now with this all the values substitute in a formula, will get y naught is minus 1 plus p is x minus 1 into delta y naught is 0 plus p is x minus 1 into x minus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught, it is 2. Anyhow delta cube y naught is 0 only, so no need to substitute here. Anyhow 0 into anything will be 0 only. So f of x is equal to minus 1, x minus 1 into 0 is again 0 plus 2 factorial is another than 2. So with this 2 get cancelled, so we left with x minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2, so x minus 2. Now f of x is equal to minus 1 plus, I am just multiplying this, see x into x is x square minus x into 2 is 2x. Next minus 1 into x is minus x, minus into minus is plus 2. Now f of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus x is minus 3x. Fine. Now minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. So this is the required polynomial. Is the required polynomial. Even if you solve this by using the Newton backward difference, also you will get back the same solution. Clear? Here is the next problem. We have to find the polynomial which is of degree 2 from the following data. So x and f of x values are given. We need to construct the polynomial of degree 2. Here also I am going to use Newton forward difference method. First let me write down the x and y value. So f of x is none other than y value. I'll just write whatever given in the problem. So once you have listed x and y values, let me calculate first forward difference. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, again 7 minus 4 is 3, next 11 minus 7 is 4, 16 minus 11 is 5, 22 minus 16 is 6, 29 minus 22 is 7. Next second forward difference is delta square y. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, again 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 6 is 1. Next third forward difference, again 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 will be 0. Next fourth forward difference, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Next fifth forward difference, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Next sixth forward difference, again it is 0 only. Again for seventh forward difference also you will get back the same. But in writing the formula, it is enough to write up to delta square y. Just you have to represent it in a difference table. So let me write the terms containing up to delta square y. So write down the formula by forward difference, Newton forward difference interpolation formula. Terms containing delta square y is enough. So it is given by f of x is equal to y naught plus p into delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught, where p is calculated by using the formula x minus x naught divided by h. As usual x is unknown. Why? Because it is a polynomial. X minus x naught is the last value of x, it is 7, divided by h is another than common difference, it is 1. So p value is x minus 7. Now y naught is the initial value of y, it is 1. Delta y is the initial value, so delta y naught is 1. Again delta square y is also, y naught is also 1. With this f of x is equal to y naught is 1 plus p is x minus 7 into delta y naught is 1 plus p is x minus 7 into x minus 7 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2. Delta square y naught is 1. Now let me simplify this. You will get f of x is equal to 1 plus x minus 7 into 1 is x minus 7 only. Fine. Next plus I will just simplify this. X minus 7 into x minus 7 minus 1. Minus 7 minus 1 is minus 8. X minus 8 divided by 2. Oh, I am extremely sorry. Here x naught value is the initial value. So this is the final value I have taken. I am sorry, x naught is 0. So x naught is 0. You will get p as x only. Therefore p is equal to x. Why? Because x naught is 0. I'm sorry, I have made a mistake here. So it is I'll just write once again. So f of x is equal to y naught. Y naught is 1 plus p is x. X into 1 plus x into x minus 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2 into delta square y is 1. Now with this 1 plus x plus, see, x into x is x square minus x divided by 2 you have. So let me take 2 LCM. For throughout, when you take LCM, you will multiply 2, right? So this is what f of x you have. Now let me simplify. F of x is equal to, see here, x square as it is. Now plus 2x minus x is plus x, right? Plus 2. Now I am going to divide 2 for each and every term. If you take LCM, you will get back the previous step. Don't worry. See here, x square as it is. Plus 2x minus x is plus x. Plus 2. Now I have divided it with 2. So you will get f of x as x square by 2 plus x by 2 plus 1. So this is the required polynomial, and further it is of degree 2. Why? Because y highest power is 2. So it is a polynomial of degree 2. Is required polynomial of degree 2. Here is the next problem. We have to find the cubic polynomial. So after simplification, you will get back the polynomial which is of degree 3, which takes the following value. So x and f of x. F of x is none other than y value. So x and y values are given. First you have to construct the forward difference table. So for that, let me write the given values. So x values and y values are 1, 2, 1, 10. Now first forward difference, subtraction as usual. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9. Next second forward difference, that is delta square y. Now as usual subtract. Minus 1 is minus 2, 9 minus of minus 1 is plus, so it is 10. Again delta cube y is 10 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, so you will get 12. So once you constructed the forward difference table, next we have to use the formula up to delta cube y. Let me write down the formula. F of x is equal to y naught plus p into delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught. Now p can be calculated by using the formula x minus x naught divided by h. As usual, x is x only. Why? Because it is polynomial. X naught is the initial value, it is 0, divided by h is the common difference, it is 1. Therefore p value is x. Now let me make a list. Y naught is the initial value, that is 1. Delta y naught is also 1. Delta square y naught is minus 2. Similarly, delta cube y naught is 12. Fine. Now I am going to substitute all these values in the formula. So you will get f of x is equal to y naught is 1 plus x into delta y naught is 1 plus x into x minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught is minus 2 plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by 3 factorial, in the sense 3 into 2. 2 factorial is another than 2 only. Anyhow, delta cube is 12. Fine. Now let me simplify this. So you cannot use calculator here. Why? Because it is unknown quantity. So 1 plus x, see here, plus 2 with 2. 2 factorial is 2 only. So minus, I'll just write here, x into x minus 1. Now 3 ones are 3 fours are, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what you're going to get is plus 2x into 2 into x is 2x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now we have to multiply this. So you will get f of x is equal to 1 plus x. Now multiply this. Minus x into x is minus x square. Minus into minus plus x. Again you will get, just multiply 2x. 2x into x is 2x square. Minus 2x into x is 2x. Now with this I have to multiply x minus 2. So let me simplify. 1 plus x minus x square plus x plus 2x square into x is 2x cube, minus 2x square into 2 is 4x square, minus 2x into x is 2x square, minus into minus is plus, 2x into 2 is 4x. Now simplify all the terms. So 2x cube, I'll just write in order. So you will get 2x cube. Next, terms containing x square is minus 4x square minus 2x square. 4, 5, 6x square. 6x square minus x square is minus 7x square. So see here, minus x square minus 4x square minus 2x square is minus 7x square. Next terms containing x. X plus x is 2x. 2x plus 4x is 4, 5, 6. So you will get plus 6x. Constant is 1. So you can clearly note that this is a polynomial which is of degree 3. So polynomial of degree 3 is none other than cubic polynomial. Is a required cubic polynomial. So in the question itself they have mentioned that it is a cubic polynomial. Anyhow, here highest degree is 3, so this is a required cubic polynomial. So here is the next problem. Find the polynomial which takes the following value. So x values and y value. Y is none other than f of x values are given. We need to find the polynomial. So let me write the values of x and f given. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F values, that is y values, 41, 43, 47, 53, 61, 71. Corresponding first difference, that is I am going to use Newton forward difference only instead of backward difference. So I'll just find the first forward difference. 43 minus 41, 2. 47 minus 43 is 4. 53 minus 47 is 6. 61 minus 53 is 8. 71 minus 61 is 10. Similarly, calculate the second forward difference. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 8 is 2. Now third forward difference, 2 minus 2 is 0, again 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. Fourth forward difference, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Fifth forward difference is 0 minus 0 is 0. Anyhow, for a forward difference table you need to write all the values, but up to in the formula, that is Newton forward difference interpolation formula, it is enough to write up to delta square y. Why? Because even if you write del cube, del power 4, del power 5, it will be 0 only. Why? Because 0 into anything will be 0. Now let me write Newton forward difference interpolation formula up to terms containing delta square y. It is given by, so I have written a Newton forward difference formula up to del square y. Now we need to calculate p by using this formula. So x is as it is, as we need to find polynomial, as I already told you, while finding polynomial x value will be equal to x only. X naught is the first value, that is 0 divided by h. In everywhere it is common difference 1. So the required p value is x. Now let me make a list. Y naught is the first value of y, it is 41. Now delta y naught is the first value of delta y, it is 2. Similarly, delta square y naught is the first value, again it is 2. Remaining is 0. Now with this let me substitute. So you will get f of x is equal to y naught is 41 plus p value is x into delta y naught is 2 plus p value is x into x minus 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2. Delta square y is 2. So 2 get cancelled. So you will get f of x is equal to 41 plus 2 into x is 2x plus x into x minus 1 you have. So x into x is x square minus x into 1 is x. Now let me arrange. So you will get f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus x is plus x plus 41. So this is the required polynomial. Is the required polynomial. Anyhow, it is a degree 2, that is quadratic polynomial. Anyhow, it is not asked in the question. We are asked only to find a polynomial. So this is the required polynomial. Hope so whatever I have done, it is clear for you. So here is a homework problem. Pause the video and please do copy to the notes and solve yourself. So find the polynomial which satisfies the following table. So given data is given, x, f of x is none other than y value. So you have to solve either by using Newton forward or by using Newton backward difference. Second one, find the second degree polynomial. In the sense, if you solve this, you will get an answer in terms of x square. So do so, copy to the notes, solve these two problems. In the next session, I'll start with the divide and difference method, that is Newton divide and difference method. So this session completes the Newton forward and backward difference. Thank you.